And it calls to drifting sailors like me and you. But I cannot understand why I'm longing for the land. I miss the sound of the breeze through the leaves of the sycamore, waiting in the waves through my knees on a sandy shore. Birds and the bees in your panties on